Hello and welcome to another Adobe After Effects tutorial. As you saw from our previous little demonstration, we'll be teaching you how to do slash slice effect. So let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to make your own composition. Make sure you already have that on stack. You're going to press G or click on the pen tool. You click G, one point to the other. And we're gonna press Alt just to curve it a bit. Make sure you're messing with the lines of Beziers. Ooh, that is not good. No, I don't want that type of style. Alright, continuing. Hopefully you did Alt Control when you're making your new composition. Awesome. Alright, cool. So once we got the curve, we're gonna make it to pre-composition. Nice. Next, we're going to go to effects and presets. We're going to type in stroke. Yes. And let's apply that to it. Click to none. Yeah. Oops, I'm sorry. I forgot. I meant to put like a. And I am going to get a mask on that. Curve it a bit. Let's make sure we got that curve. I am sorry for the miscommunication and confusion. Make sure we got the bezel. We got the alt from it. Yes. Yes, we do. Mess with that. Set a bit. Make sure it's coordinated. There we go. Exactly how it is. Then we're going to put stroke on the mask. Put in mask 1. Change the paint style to Reveal. Nice. After that, we are going to press U. Did I press U? Alright, let's get a reveal. Press size all the way. Hardness, size, opacity. Alright, cool. Done. What we're gonna do, like CC Force Motion Blur. Add that to it. But I do wanna animate this a bit. So we're gonna get our start stopwatch and our end stopwatch. Ooh, there we go. New. Let's get our end a little bit further away from our keyframe. Put 100. Whoops. Yeah. And then we're going to put 200 too. Can I copy paste? But you know what? I think I'm going to leave the endpoint, to be honest. It depends on how you want to stylize the slash of your comp. I'm going to press F9 to compensate. Yeah, nice and quick. And we're going to pull motion blur on. Phase a bit. Mess with it. Let's go to 40. Right click on. And that's how you do it. That's how you do the swing slash effect.